We were sent this digital thermometer for our review, and there are a few things I really love about it. One, I love that it does have this case covering over it, so when you're not using it, you know that it is always in this nice little sleeve. The other thing, I like how soft this is, so if you are using this underneath the tongue or in the bottom, that is, you know, it's not really tough. It's nice and silicone. And also, of course, this can be used in the armpit. I do love that you get your temperature within seconds. I don't know about you, but I remember when I was sick as a kid, underneath the tongue, it would take like 2 minutes. This, you get it in like 8 seconds tops, and so it's really fast and effective. And the other thing I think is really cool, so really easy, so you can do it in Fahrenheit or Celsius. So right now we have it in Celsius, and the way to switch it is when it is completely off, you're gonna hold down on here, and you actually have to hold down for a little bit. It's actually gonna pop up and say on, and you're gonna hold it a little bit longer, and then you see the Celsius, and then now I'm gonna click, and then now I've got in Fahrenheit. So I do like that you have, you know, both of those options. And green means, you know, your temperature is great. It also will go to yellow, and then you have the like fever alarm as well. So if the temperature is too high, you'll get a couple of beeps there. So yeah, really great, and always awesome to have one on hand.